We have always been concerned about growing distance between rich class and poor class. We have always known that middle class sort of is disappearing, and we have known this for a really long time now. But recently, because of technology, I came across this new concept which completely changes our way of understanding wealth classes. You see, when everything becomes too abundant, because of AI and robotics, the class system would be divided into two different classes, one being thinking class and another being scrolling class. There are multiple articles that are talking about this. So the thinking class being the one that thinks about things like analyzing problems, finding solutions, being creative, studying art and philosophy, things like that. Whereas scrolling class is the one that are simply just doom scrolling on social media, consuming whatever is created by other people, not using their cognitive abilities to the fullest and simply just going through life on autopilot. There are multiple articles that talk about the divide in both of these classes, and it's very much concerning. At some point, because of AI, everything would be so abundant. At some point, money might also lose its value because the services and the products wouldn't be valuable enough because we would have enough ability to create them in so much amount that it would somehow lose its value. The decision is always in our hands to whether put ourselves into thinking class or whether let ourselves drift into that scrolling class. If you are not very conscious about it, you would end up in the scrolling class because you wouldn't be aware of the amount of brain rot that you would be fed. Best way to rebel against it is to not let yourself slip into that scrolling class. I'm mentioning few things in the caption that you can do this weekend to make sure you are stretching your cognitive abilities and not just spending your time on internet doom scrolling.